Dito tayo mag-isa pang Atlas is ay part 4 na ng ating rating. Hindi kasi bili ko ulit siya kay Shopify. Sa naman ko yun. So yan, ito yung ating whoops. Ayan. So Shopify sa atin. So yan, thank you Shopify. Uy, may free tayo. Ano to? Uy, thank you. Sino to? Thank you, seller. Thank you for this autograph by Chris Bosch. Wow. Panini. Thank you. Thank you, Shopify, for this Chris Bosch. Yan, ganda. Ganda na. May pirma siya. Galing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ayan. Babies. Lang Shopify. So this is with the bonus card. Let's start. Yung ating dito. Sleeves. Rin natin siya. Sleeves na rin natin siya. So thank you Shopify. Thank you for this babies. Tugay na natin. Lalagyan na natin ito. Lalagyan din tayo sa binder. Let's reading up this one. Tignan natin. Sana makakuha na yung makikita. Open and oops. Open. Okay. Ayun. So yan kung minamamay ko. Okay, let's start with our first pack. Oh, Giannis. Okay, Giannis base. Visual. Giannis base. We have Giannis base. Second card natin is Jaden Ivey. So we already have that. So yan. Next card. Oh, Kyrie Irving. Nice one. What's this? Winner. Kyrie Irving winner. Mamaya nag-sleep siya mamaya. Next we have nice one, Supersonic Ja Morant. Ganda. Ganda naman ito. Next we have Rainbow Master Trae Young. Bang. And we have Minnesota Timberwolves. We have Rudy Gobert. Oh yan. Ano ito? Numbered kaya ito? And we also have Phoenix Sun Masterclass Eric Gordon. And last card natin is Unbeatable. Uy, ang ganda. Unbeatable. Oh, marami tayong ilalagay sa ating ano. We have the Rainbow Masterclass Unbeatable, Supersonic, and we have the winner. Ooh, nice one. Thank you, Shopify. Yes. Thanks. Okay, so that's it. It's our Supersonic. Then we have here Rainbow Master Trae Young. We have winner ni Kyrie Irving, Unbeatable ni Jimmy Butler, and a masterclass ni Eric Gordon. Yan. So yan, thank you Then, these are the bases natin. We have Giannis Antetokounmpo, Jaden Ivey, and Rudy Gobert. Yan. Thank you. See you on next reaping.